front of me is a Honor 600 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on Alarm at the bottom left corner. Now use this plus at the bottom in the middle and begin by setting up an hour at the top. Now, if you want to use this alarm only once, you can tap on repeat. Choose this switcher next to specific date and set it up. Then hit OK. Go back, and if you want to use this switcher next to the late alarm after it finishes ringing to enable this option. If you don't want to use it only once, tap on repeat and pick another option. Only once, every day, or every week. Here you can tap on days of the week manually. And when you finished, go back. Now select sound. You can tap on vibration section at the top and this way tap on one of those patterns. Select none to disable vibrations or synchronize them with current ringtone. Go back again. Tap on music on device if you want to use a song from your smartphone and hit apply next to it. Or pick apply next to one of those. When you finished, go back again and tap on label if you wish to name your alarm. Then select ring duration to decide how many minutes it will ring if you won't react. Then snooze duration to decide how many minutes your snooze will take and how many times it will repeat. When you finished with this section, hold this icon at the top and drag it down. Now to save your new alarm, tap on the check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To switch it off or turn it on, operate this switcher. If you decided to disable it, after tapping on the switcher, pick one of those options. Now, to edit your alarm, click on it, make any changes, and use the same check mark. If you want to get rid of any of them, tap on it, hit delete at the bottom, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!